Hello and welcome to the best YouTube cooking channel. I'm the best chef in the world, on my mom's version. And today I'm gonna show you how to cook traditional apple pie. It is very popular here in Ukraine, and if you will follow my instructions, you will get not just an apple pie, you will get a real masterpiece of cooking. So, enough talking, let's start cooking with me. Let's start with ingredients we need. First of all, butter. Then 4 or 5 apples, cinnamon, flavor, sugar, baking powder, 4 beautiful eggs. First of all, we need to prepare apples for caramelization. We need to peel the apples like this. Next step, we need to cut out the middle of every apple. It is important. Don't worry if you have different pieces of apples. It doesn't influence the taste, and still the cake will be perfect. To make apples caramelized, you need a piece of butter about 60 or 70 grams. I can do it with my hands, but you better use knife. That will be more than enough. When our frying pan gets a little hot, we can feel the warmth. We need to add about 60-70 grams of sugar, like this. And also we need to add all the apples that we have. I'll make a trick with the butter once again, but you can use knife if you are not as strong as I am. So we are waiting until everything is warming up, butter is melting, and we see the changing color of apples. Don't forget to mix them. I forgot to add cinnamon. Don't make my mistakes, because apples and cinnamon are made for each other. I really like these two things together. Don't forget to mix. You can see the color of apples. They are nearly ready. Oh, I hope someday cameras could give you a smell of it. But still, you can try to cook with me the instructions I give, and you can feel the same as I do. So, apples are prepared. 120 grams of sugar, 200 grams of flavor, baking powder, and 130 grams of butter. I've cut it before to make it easier to me mixing. Now we need to put apples to our form and then cover it with our dough on the upper layer. See you in 40 minutes. Bye bye. Our apple pie is right now upside down, so we need to cool it a little bit and then turn with, and our apples will be on top. So waiting for it. Wow! Wow, that is so beautiful. Wow! So, I'll show you traditional Ukrainian apple pie. We'll be very thankful for you if you comment, subscribe and like this video. Also, I have a good advice for you. Never trust skinny cook. Have a nice day.